if you want to create a project like this, when I write Jai Shri Ram, then Jai Shri Ram printed like this. When I write here Hanuman, then Hanuman printed like this. If you want to create this, then keep watching this video and go ahead. For creating this file, let me first delete all the file, because we have to create this file on a scratch. So let me select and delete, and here you can see I have only this Figlet folder, and in the Figlet folder I have no data. So I need to familiar you for two things. First is your node and second is your npm. Basically node is the tool. Basically by using node we will run your javascript file, and second one is your npm. Basically npm is your java fragment which contains npm packages by any these packages. Using this npm packages we will create a folder or project, Figlet project. So let me open new folder, and here we need to install your Figlet package. So for installing your Figlet package we need to write npm install and your Figlet. When we will write this, here you can see wait for few minutes or few seconds, because installing process is going on. So wait a few minutes. Here you can see one folder installed and your package log.json installed and package json. For and your next step will be creating a index.js file, index.js, and we will write all the whole code inside this file. So let me down this and go to the your Figlet documentation. We need to go npm site and search here Figlet. Here you can see Figlet documentation. Tap this Figlet and here you can see your documentation for we have done already installation process, and here you can see the documentation or how we can use this code. So copy this code, whole code, and paste over your index.js file. Paste here. When again if we want, if now we will run this code, this index file. For run this index file we need to write node index.js, and here you can see hello world printed, because this value printed, but in this place we will give your input, or if for doing this here we will send a value and we will create a value variable, and in this value variable we will give input to this code. So right here process dot arg, and here input reached by command line input. So now we will write index.js, and we need to carry this, and we need to give attention here because we will send input as a command line argument. So we need to write here your arguments, and before first this is an array, and we will give here input. It's stored in a index 2, so we need to write here your index 2, and now we will run this code, and I will give input as Hanuman. And again there's some errors. Let me save this file first, and now we will run this code, and here you can see Hanuman has printed. Again, if I want to give technical, here your channel name technical checkpoint. Here you can see your technical printed because this is an array, and at index 2 your first input are stored, and your third at a third index your tag point printed. If you want to print this whole line, so need to write like this, and now we will enter, and here you can see technical tag point printed. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is useful for you and you have learned something by this video. For more useful video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.